Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of electric mobility with the highly anticipated 2025 Dacia Spring. Buckle up as we explore the game-changing features of this eco-friendly marvel. Hey there, folks. Today, we're here to uncover the secrets of the 2025 Dacia Spring. Join me as we embark on a journey to discover why this electric car is creating waves in the automotive industry. First things first, let's talk about design. The 2025 Dacia Spring boasts a contemporary and aerodynamic exterior, blending style with sustainability. Its compact size makes it perfect for navigating urban streets with ease, while still offering ample interior space for passengers and cargo. Interior shots: step inside, and you'll be greeted by a thoughtfully designed interior that prioritizes comfort and convenience. From the ergonomic seats to the intuitive infotainment system, every detail has been crafted with the driver in mind. But what truly sets the 2025 Dacia Spring apart is its impressive performance. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric motor, this car delivers an exhilarating driving experience with zero emissions. With instant torque and responsive handling, the Dacia Spring accelerates effortlessly, making every drive a joyride. Plus, its long-lasting battery ensures that you can go the distance without worrying about recharging frequently. Speaking of charging, let's talk about range. The 2025 Dacia Spring offers an impressive range on a single charge, making it ideal for both daily commutes and long-distance journeys. And with fast charging capabilities, you can recharge your battery in no time. But the benefits don't stop there. By driving the 2025 Dacia Spring, you're not just investing in a reliable and stylish vehicle, you're also doing your part to protect the environment. With zero tailpipe emissions, this car helps reduce air pollution and combat climate change. In conclusion, the 2025 Dacia Spring is more than just a car, it's a symbol of innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and eco-friendly features, it's poised to revolutionize the way we think about electric mobility. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the future of electric mobility. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more update.